Hey guys, it's Steph here again today, and today I decided to make a video, kind of an unboxing video, or an unbagging video in this case, and my collection. So I thought that'd be pretty neat. But I already ripped the little thing off here. But I got this off somebody on eBay for $6. That was $2, I think. It was $6 altogether. So I got this. It is a metal tin, and inside of it, it has the Twilight journals. They look like that on the outside, and then you have Twilight, New Moon, Eclipse, and Breaking Dawn. And inside of them, they look pretty inside. There's like trees and scenes from the movie, I think, or maybe just, yeah, sort of. And they have quotes at the top from the books. It says, "I heard my favorite sound in the world, Edward's quiet laugh, weak with relief," by Bella. And each one of them's like that. They have quotes from each book, which is pretty cool. So I got those and add that to my collection, and I guess I'll show you guys my collection now. There's only one thing that I'm missing from my collection that I want, and it is the Twilight novella, The Short Second Life of Bree Tanner. But let me go ahead and start my collection here. I have all of the Twilight books, but they're not the original covers, they're the movie covers, and I know some people don't like that, but I got all of the books with the movie cover instead of like mix and matching them. But I have Twilight, New Moon, Eclipse, and Breaking Dawn. And the back of that one. I like the back of that one. And I also have Twilight and Forks, and Destination Forks, Twilight, New Moon, Eclipse, Breaking Dawn Part 1, and Breaking Dawn Part 2. So I have everything except for the Short Second Life of Bree Tanner, which I'm really excited to get. I can get it for like $3 or $4 on eBay from this one site. So I'm hoping maybe I can buy it soon and add it to my collection and read it. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys never forget about the Twilight saga. There's no more movies, of course, and I feel kind of lost every, year, because there's not like a trailer coming out or anything like that. So it's kind of different, because I used to go to all of the midnight showings of the movies, plus all of the midnight releases of the movies, and I bought, the books like as soon as they came out, and that kind of stuff. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you.